Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the NPI Healthcare Provider Scraper by PerseForge, which you can find on Appify or in the link down in the description. It's used to automatically collect verified healthcare provider data directly from the official NPI registry. No manual searching, no spreadsheets, and no guesswork. This scraper is perfect for provider verification, credentialing, compliance checks, and healthcare market research. It pulls structured provider data straight from the US government's NPPES database. You get NPIs, provider names, specialties, addresses, phone numbers, amongst other things. You can search by name, location, specialty, or even pull a specific provider using their NPI number. So, how does it work? There are two ways to use this scraper. You can either insert a direct URL from the registry page itself, or you can use the search filters that are provided already. Let's say you want to find dentists in New York, verify their NPIs, and analyze their specialties and location. This is a very common real-world use case for credentialing, recruiting, or market analysis. Once your input is set, you choose the maximum number of items you want scraped, and you can use the actor once, or you can schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. And now we let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get a dataset table in the Output tab, and each row represents a result. Each result includes the NPI number, the provider full name, mailing and location addresses, phone numbers, primary taxonomy, license state and license number, amongst other things. All of this data comes straight from the official government registry, so it's accurate and always up to date. You can also download it as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file. This makes it easy to plug into credentialing workflows, compliance audits, provider databases, or healthcare analytics tools. So that's it. In just a few clicks, you've collected verified healthcare provider data that would normally take hours to gather manually. If you're working in healthcare research, recruiting, compliance, or provider verification, this scraper will save you serious time. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.